In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of obtaining a real estate license in the state of Maryland. Whether you're just starting out in your career or you're looking to make a change, becoming a real estate agent can be a rewarding and fulfilling profession. So let's get started. The licensing process is fairly simple, just follow these 5 steps. 1. Complete and pass the 60 hours of pre-licensing education. 2. Must take and pass the Maryland Real Estate Exam with a minimum passing score of 70% or higher. 3. You must request a background check to be sent to the Real Estate Commission for review. 4. You will need to find a sponsoring broker to affiliate your license with. 5. And finally, you would finalize and submit your application to the Maryland Real Estate Commission for approval. And that's it. In order to get a real estate license in the state, you must complete 60 hours of pre-license real estate education. Perry Real Estate College offers the course, 100% online, available 24/7, completed at your leisure. The Maryland Real Estate Commission requires each new licensee to obtain a background check before being eligible to obtain a license. The Commission will evaluate each person's criminal history on a case-by-case basis. If you are unsure if you will be eligible, please confirm with the Commission. Each new licensee is required to pass a state licensing exam, administered by PSI. The exam is broken down into 2 sections, a national portion containing 80 questions and state portion containing 30 questions. Each section must be passed with a 70% to pass the test. You will be given hours to complete the exam, 90 minutes for the national portion and 30 minutes for the state portion. Once the test is passed, they will also give you some forms to fill out. Those forms must be filled out with your new broker and sent into the Commission with your license application. Once you've passed the licensing exam, it's time to apply for your real estate license. You'll need to fill out an application, submit any required documentation, and pay any fees. You can find the application and more information on the Maryland Real Estate Commission's website. So that's a quick overview of how to get a real estate license in Maryland. It's a process that requires some dedication and hard work, but the rewards can be well worth it. If you have any further questions or need additional information, feel free to reach out.